black garlic. We've been doing a lot of reading about it, a lot of research, and we really want to try it. We've never bought it because it's expensive. And
What,
this year,
6 cloves, like 60 bucks?
yeah, it can be pretty expensive. And there's supposed to be a lot of benefits to it. Traditional, normal, plain garlic, when you eat it, has really good antioxidant properties, but once it's fermented and transformed into black garlic, it can be actually twice as high. It can also help out with type 2 diabetes, cholesterol levels, significantly improved in a lot of studies, anti-oxidative liver stress,
Oh, that's good.
allergy relief. Even some people with psoriasis, it's really helped out their skin. But one of the other main reasons we want to do it is taste. We want to actually try it and see what it tastes like.
Right, I heard the taste really changes once you go through the black fermentation process. And the main reason that we're actually doing this experiment this year is because we grew a ton of our own garlic, so we have enough to experiment with. We're not going over the top or anything. We're doing a little small amount because what if we don't like it?
Right.
But we're going to show you the process on how to get your black garlic ferment started if you want to try it.
Yep. And so what you'll need is garlic. You can go to the store and buy garlic. These are garlics that we grew ourselves. They've been sitting here in the house for about a month, so they're nice and dry. I did clean the top off. I cleaned up the bottom, make sure there was no dirt in there. And then there's a lot of different ways that you can make it. There's actually specialized boxes that you can buy that are designed just for fermenting garlic. We're going to go the rice cooker option. My parents have a resale shop. We went in there shopping one day. They had this for like $5. Works, so we're going to use that.
Yes, I have heard though, if you are going to use a rice cooker or a slow cooker, it's preferable if you get one that is dedicated forevermore to something garlic because it will infuse the flavor of garlic.
Yep. Yep, and the other significant thing that you want to make sure that it does is make sure it has a warm option. You don't want to use the actual cook the rice button.
Right.
You just want to use the keep warm option because what you want to do here is get the garlic up to between 120 and 140 degrees for anywhere between 2 weeks to 3 weeks. If you go 3 weeks, it can get a little long, and that the garlic will shrivel up and almost look like a little gummy bear. I don't think we're going to go that long. We're going to go about 2 weeks with it, I think.
Sounds good.
So what we're going to do to get started is lay some paper towels down in the bottom of the rice cooker. See what the inside looks like.
And there are lots of ferments you can do with garlic. We did a fermented hot sauce that had garlic in it. We did a fermented honey with garlic in it. And now we are doing the black garlic, which is considered a ferment, even though there's no juices.
Yep.
So do you layer them single layer or do you just stack
Double
them
layer,
in there?
just stack them all in there.
And he did wash all these or peel the outer papers off if there was any dirt, so they're super clean, whole heads of garlic. Yep, he's literally just throwing them in there.
So a word of warning to you if you decide to go this route and make this, do not do it in your house. Your entire house, your clothes, everything will smell like garlic.
Right.
I've read so many warnings about it. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take this out to our shed.
Yep.
And plug it in out there. There's plenty of gaps in the shed for ventilation. It's quite old, so should give it plenty of ventilation. We'll plug this in. We'll hit the warm setting. And we'll come back in about 2 weeks and we'll see what we got.
Yeah, we'll definitely do a reveal and even a taste test for you guys. And hopefully you enjoy the series and it inspires you to try new things with your garlic.
Thanks for joining us.
Bye guys.